Welcome back to another one. Here we got our nice over-the-year project car that we've been working on, keeping it alive. So we got a 2011 Toyota Corolla, and this is common on almost every Toyota engine. You feel like you lost power. You turn on your AC, it vibrates a little bit every time it engages and stuff like that. And it could be a simple fix. As you can see here, we got the throttle body exposed already. See all that debris in there? Push it back a little bit. You see all that dirt? Yeah, these blades right there, they get dirt accumulation, and it can't do the right measurements of air to open up a little bit or more or less when you're idling. So since it's electric, it can't do those slight adjustments and stuff like that. Well, it's programmed to just open and close whatever it's designed for. So that, and then you also got your MAF sensor here, and we'll show that. This one's not as dirty as other ones that I've seen, but those little that little wire right there will get real nice and dusty and caked up with dust. You see how this one's pretty clean right there? That's how it's kind of like that. But this one's just a little dusty and stuff. But there's some that are really bad. So we'll get those cleaned up, reprogram or relearn the idle, and it's going to be real easy, so stay tuned. I'll show you how. So first, if you have like the idle really bad, it's really low, I'm talking about below the 1000 revolution line, or even below that, the 500 mark, it's low. What you're going to want to do so it could know or like reset it is disconnect the positive of your car. Now if you need to do like the smog check or something like that, where you're going to need your emissions to be ready, this is not something that you want to do, because it's going to reset the whole process. You're going to have to do the drive cycle again and have those monitors ready for the smog. But if you don't have to do anything like that, then let's get going. Let's just clean that out, and we'll get that cleaned out. Just put this on the side. So you're gonna need your MAF airflow sensor cleaner. For sure, make sure you use something that's designed for the sensor and not just any random cleaner. Now for the throttle body, I do recommend they do sell some throttle body cleaners and stuff like that, but we got our trusty brake part cleaner. Never fails, you know. Great for flamethrowers. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, just spray a little bit right there. And you don't want to mess around in here too much. Just kind of open it up. Don't play with the blade too much. Just have enough to kind of clean around. And I can feel like border line. Look at that. So I can feel like borders of dirt in there, or like walls dividing. Yep. So we just with one pass to see if we could look how much better that looks. You see some debris right there, but look where it sits now. Boom. See how we got most of the stuff out of there. So we're just gonna do another pass, same thing on the top. Just obviously don't mess around with it too much. So when you guys are cleaning this and stuff like that, don't try to open it and close it as least as possible. So just try to either hold it, have this set up ready so you can clean it in one hand, boom boom, same thing on top. Now you got something like that. Should be all set. Try not to spray too much in here. I mean, I'll be alright, but you shouldn't want to enrich the mixture of gas and too much brake cleaner in there. So I guess another proper way to do it would be to take off the throttle body itself from the forward bolts and clean it from the other side and from this side. But this is kind of like a quick on the go fix. I'm just trying to show you something you guys could do without a lot of tools. and apparently this guy is selling really good pan over here. So yeah, taking those 4 bolts off would give you more access to the back, and I guess you wouldn't have to move the blades as much. But this is something that you could just kind of do it at your own risk. Next step, this I guess clean this battery pump. Well, actually we can leave that at the end. Let's go with the MAF sensor. MAF sensor cleaner. Point it away from your eyes. Spray. This one doesn't have any more pressure, but it does the job. Let's see. So like I said, this one wasn't as dirty as one I've seen before, but you can't tell. I mean, it's as clean as it gets. I kind of see a little shine to it now. We got a battery cleaner here. Sell these everywhere, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and it even has an inside one. Very well used, I would say. Anyways, it's let's see. Try to wear a mask or something. What I'm doing is I got a damp towel here, just water. Just kind of cleaned it out so it'll be like less dust and stuff. Do it. Voila. Voila. Get your damp towel again. Let's get that out of the way. And then kind of have this just right there. Just like that. Dry towel. That's that. That's that. Put that back here. And well, actually I gotta put the screws on this. Alright, so now that you've done that, you completed that, now we're gonna relearn the idle. Because as you turn it on, you might get like a lot of hesitation on it starting all the way, or it's gonna be high and idle, which is we're gonna see right now. So this one was high and idle. So as you can see, it's about 1500 RPM, and it's gonna be like that. So we're gonna what we want to do is warm up the car like this for about like 5 to 10 minutes, and then turn off the car again. Give it a couple seconds, turn it back on, and leave it a minute or so, and then turn it back off, and then just kind of give it shorter times, turn it on, turn it off. And then after you've done that about, I want to say 5-6 times, you take it for a test drive, normal drive, come back, turn it off, turn it back on. You should be good. And make sure all your accessories are off, like lights, AC, just anything that creates more of load, just so it could just normalize on itself. And if everything's correct, your idle should look, your RPM should look like that. Real steady underneath that first line under the 1. And now let's try put it in drive. No vibration. Now let's turn on the AC. I didn't even feel the engagement, you know, like smooth. You sure you want it like this, or you want it back how it was? That was a quick video for you guys. What they say, like and subscribe and all that stuff. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I'll keep it coming. You know, I'll see you on the next one.